How are you? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we are going to learn about pronoun it. So it is a subject pronoun which acts as a subject of the sentence. It is used in place of third person singular, plants, animals and things. Let's take one example. It is a watch. Can you say that he's a watch or she's a watch? No, you cannot say that he's a watch or she's a watch because watch is a thing. Let's take a second example. It is a dog. Can you say that he is a dog or she's a dog? No, you cannot say that he is a dog or she is a dog. But there is an interesting point. If the animal about whom you're talking is your pet, then only you can use the pronoun he or she in case of animals. Otherwise, you will always use the pronoun it in case of animals. Let's take a third example. It is a tree. Can you say that he is a tree or she is a tree? No, you cannot say that he is a tree or she is a tree because tree is a plant, and for plants, we always use the pronoun it. So let's see some more examples and make the concept of pronoun it clear. So Rudy, let's take our first example. It is a dog. So in this sentence, why we have used the pronoun it? Because we are talking about an animal, and whenever we talk about animals, we always use the pronoun it. We never say he is a dog or she is a dog, right?
Yeah, that sounds funny.
Yes, we always say that it is a dog, and pronoun it is used in place of third person singular.
Now I understood.
Good. So Rudy, read the second example.
It is a bottle.
Correct. So in this sentence, what is a bottle? Bottle is a thing, and whenever we talk about things, we always use the pronoun
It.
correct. So Rudy, read the last example.
It is a mango tree.
Right. So why we have used the pronoun it in this sentence?
Because we're talking about plant.
Correct. Whenever we talk about plants, we always use the pronoun
It.
right. So, I hope you understood pronoun it very clearly, and in future you're not going to face any problem regarding pronoun it. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.